Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect OTG pen drive or normal pen drive with OTG adapter in Realme C25 smartphone. Before we start the video, I should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, I have the OTG adapter and the normal pen drive. We need to insert the pen drive into the normal OTG adapter. So now I insert this setup into the phone. So wait for a few seconds. So we need to open the settings of the phone, then choose additional settings and enable the OTG connection. Now wait for a few seconds. The OTG now available here. We need to open that. So you can see the files of OTG pen drive. We can copy the files from the pen drive by click on the file and choose copy and choose phone storage and copy to here. If you want to copy any file from the phone storage to OTG, you need to open that file and click on hold, then choose copy, then choose the OTG and copy to here. So file also copied successfully. So after finishing your work, you need to swipe down the notification bar, then choose system UI. So you need to tap to remove USB device safely. Now we can safely remove your pen drive from phone. So that's all guys.